Welcome to Ask Hytrol. Today we are going to demonstrate how to change the belt on the BZE24EZ. You will need the following tools: a 1/2-inch socket, a 9/16" wrench, and a putty knife. For your safety and others around you, always perform lockout-tagout procedures on all machinery before removing any guarding for repair. Disconnect the E24 power supply and make sure all lights on the E24 card are off. Disconnect the E24 motor from the card. Then remove the motor and set it to the side. Loosen the bolt on the tracking bracket and remove the infeed roller from the tracking bracket. The infeed roller is spring-loaded, so remove it by using the putty knife to depress the hex shaft on the end that allows it to be depressed through the hex hole. Then remove the remaining rollers from the zone by depressing the spring-loaded hex shaft. Remove the pin from the drive roller and remove the drive roller by depressing the spring-loaded hex shaft. Discard the old belt. Next, place the new belt inside the frame and thread the drive roller through the belt. Insert the pin into the drive roller. Install the remaining rollers in the frame. If there is a one-way roller present, such as in the BZE24EZ, make sure the one-way roller is installed in the middle. Reinsert the infeed roller while aligning it to the take-up bracket. Reinstall the motor, ensuring the coupler is present. Reconnect the motor to the E24 card. After applying power to the unit, adjust the bolt on the tracking bracket to retract the belt. You have now successfully changed the belt on the BZE24EZ, and your machine is ready to return to service.